Hi, today is Sunday, the 18th of August, and I'm going to tell you about the latest features of OnAMap. So I'm going to run through them quite quickly. And the first relates to Our World in Data. So there's a couple of new features that I've been adding as I've been working on that Our World in Data plugin. And the first one is a legend. So that essentially, when you look at a data set from Our World in Data, most of their maps and their data sets come with a set of colors ranging from the lowest values in the data set, like maybe if it's an index ranging from 0 to 100, and each set of values is represented with a specific color, and there's a gradient, maybe for example from green to red or white to orange. And there's now each data set, as you add it as a new layer, gets shown, a legend gets shown in the bottom left hand corner, showing you what different colors mean as different values on the data set. The second is a timeline. So that means that as you scrub through the dates of a data set, let's say you add the population index data set from Our World in Data. As you scrub through the data, which may be, for example, from 1950 to 2020, as you go through those dates, the colors of the map change according to what values each country gets as you go through the time on the timeline. So that is a useful new feature for most of the Our World in Data datasets. And then next is we now have 3 maps that you can use and browse and explore in the gallery, which is the new feature I'm going to talk about. So 3 Our World in Data maps. So the gallery is a new part of the site where you can browse the maps that people have created. In this case, there's 4 maps that you can browse and look at. And you can see which layers each map uses and where the source is, where the data comes from, that kind of thing. So that's a really great and a very important part of the site that's just been added, the gallery. Lastly, is a new feature that you won't necessarily see if you're just using the site, but me as an administrator is very helpful. And that is administrative pages. So when I'm logged in as an administrator, I can see tables of all of the different types of data, like data sets, maps, users, and sources, as a nice, useful administrative table. And that just helps me get work done much faster, add new content faster to the site. So that's it, new features. I hope you enjoy using OnAMap, and I'll see you in the next one.